Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Park and switch ignition to accessory or on. You need the infotainment active. Next, press the home button on the center screen or use the steering wheel arrows to open settings. This gives direct access to system and time. Make sure to confirm whether your Panamera shows 12-hour or 24-hour format. This matters because the increment behavior changes. Once done, navigate to clock or time settings so you can begin precise adjustments. You now adjust the time itself. Open clock or time and choose manual if you want precise input, or automatic to use GPS and network time. When manual, tap the hour then minute fields and use the +/- or on-screen keypad to set exact digits. This avoids rounding errors. Also verify the time zone and the DSD toggle. If you recently crossed a zone, changing only the clock leaves alarms and navigation offsets incorrect. Make adjustments carefully. Finish by saving the new settings and exiting. Verify the time on both the instrument cluster and the center display so everything matches. If the clock reverts after a restart, reboot the infotainment by turning ignition off, waiting, then restarting. If necessary, perform a soft reset or disconnect the 12V for 1 to 2 minutes. If issues persist, make sure GPS reception is good and consider a dealer software update. These fixes resolve most time-sync problems reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.